Welcome guys, welcome back to my channel Adhyan with Flow. Let's start with bryophytes. Okay, bryophytes is further divided into two parts, mosses and liverbirds. Let's start. Where they found? Where they located? Location. We know that algae are located where? Mostly water region. But bryophyte, they have dual capacity, not dual sim. They live in land as well as water. Yes, they live where? Land as well as water. And most of the time they found in shaded areas. Most of the time they are found on shaded area. Okay, look at here. This is the female bryophyte plant and this is the male bryophyte plants. What is the difference? Look at here guys. Look at here, their archegoniospore. And look at here, anthridiospores. So these are the major difference between female and male. Guys, you can easily identify female and easily identify male. And both things are same. They have gemma cup, they have also gemma cup. They have rhizoids and they have rhizoids. Guys, they are not a true roots, but they function as a roots. They are not a true roots, but they are function as a roots. Look at here guys. Now next thing is, look at these diagrams. This is the funaria and this is the what? Sphagnum. They have capsule, seta, leaves. Remember these things. Sporophytic parts made up with capsule, seta, leaves, and gametophytic parts. Look at here. This portion is gametophytic parts, produce gamete. This is the sporophytic part, produce spores. Clear? And this is the sphagnum, gametophyte plants. They have what? Normally branches, archegonial branches, and branches. That's it. Okay, let's study one by one. Okay, I already tell you this thing. Where they found? Dump area, humidity area, shaded location. Next thing is what? They are more developed in the comparison of algae. After algae, they have some advanced features. Guys, algae does not contain rhizoids, they does not contain leaves, they does not contain seta, capsule, but bryophytes, they contain this function. Alright? They have thallus like prostrate or erect. Look at here now. Look at here. Erect. Erect means long, standing ovation, standing thing. Next, and attach with substratum. It may be rocks, it may be any bottom of the sea. They have rhizoids. They function as a what? They are not a true root. They are not a true roots, but they function like roots. Okay, little bit they function like a roots. They may possess root-like, leaf-like, or stem-like structure. Not true root, true leaf, true stem, but they leaf-like structure. They have stem-like structure. They have root-like structure. Clear these three things? Now, if they produce gametes, look at here, look at here. This part is produced, this part produce some cycle like gametophytic cycle. And this part, what they do? They perform spore cycle. Clear? The sex organ in bryophytes are multicellular. Okay, they have sex organs. Guys, sex organs. Now, sex organs are present. Means female have female sex organ and male have male sex organ. The name of the male sex organ is what? Anthridium. And what is the name of female sex organ? Archegonium. Clear? Anthridium and archegonium. Okay, they produce what? They produce antherozoids. What is the feature of antherozoids? They have biflagellated structure. And archegonia, they have some flask-like structures. And they produce what? Eggs. And now in future, egg and antherozoids, sperms are produced, fertilized, and produce what? Zygote. Zygote or not? But this zygote, now, this can be enter in spore cycle and this can be enter in gamete cycle. If spores are present, it means they produce spore cycle. If gamete are produced, they perform gametophyte cycle. Guys, spore part na, spore, this part, sporophytic parts na, mainly this part, what they do? Photosynthesis. Because they have leaf, capsule and seta. So mainly this part of the plant, what they do, photosynthesis. Now most of the bryophytes useful for what? Their economic importance is here. They provide food, guys, for herbaceous animals, birds, more animals, mammals. Okay, some species, sphagnum, most provide pit. Guys, they useful for what? Burning. That have long use of fuel. Okay, these work as a fuel. Packing material, because they have high high water holding capacity. Next, mosses along with lichen are first organism to colonize on rock. If there is some bare area, nothing is here, ekdam nude, no plant, no grasses. If we drop na mosses there, mosses plus lichen, then they aggregate, they fertile, they make a bare area into nutritious area. They grow and grow and grow. So they contribute their role towards the ecological balance. They decompose rocks, making the substrate suitable for the growth of the higher plants. Where they found means assume this is a rock, and here mosses and lichens are present. So what they do, they decompose these rocks and make some important material for what? So plant will absorb these material. Mosses form dense mat on the soils, make a carpet like a structure. This is the soil, and here is what? Mosses. They reduce the impact of falling rain and prevent soil erosion. So soil can't move out from here. The bryophytes are divided into two parts, liverworts and mosses. But liverwort and mosses we will discuss in our next video. Okay, we will start with liverwort in next video. So that's all for guys. That's all for now, and we will meet in our next video. Thanks for watching my video, and please share and subscribe my video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.